Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Vivian TV. Here I have plantain cake. If you have an overripe plantain in your house, please don't throw it away. They're still good. You can still use them to make something useful, edible. Here is one of them. Here is plantain cake from an overripe plantain. So if you really want to watch how I made this plantain cake, sit down, relax, and watch me bake the plantain cake. Here is my plantain cake. Right here, I have my overripe plantain. So I'm going to be using 4 of this overripe plantain. Then here I have 2 cracked eggs. I've already cracked the eggs. Then over here, I have 1 tablespoon of sugar. I'm using small amount of sugar because the overripe plantain is already sweet. So no need to add too much sugar. Then if you don't really like sugary taste or sugary things, you can skip the sugar. This one is optional. Then here I have 125 grams of butter, half teaspoon of nutmeg and half teaspoon of salt, 10 grams of baking soda, 200 ml of milk, then 10 ml of white wine to add some flavor to the plantain cake or plantain bread, but I prefer calling it plantain cake. Then some strawberries to add some nice look to it. Then I have 250 grams of all-purpose flour. So I'll go ahead to blend the plantain with the milk. So here is the blended plantain. I'll go ahead to mix the dry ingredient. Here I have my baking powder, the salt and the nutmeg. I'll mix them till they are well combined. Then I'll keep that aside. And go back to the butter. So I have to melt the butter. If you have a hand mixer, that will be very nice. You can use it. So I'm creaming the butter. Did I say to melt the butter before? Sorry. To cream the butter. This is the part that I don't really like, to cream this butter. To do this till I get a cream form. So yes, I think the butter is creamy now. I can go ahead to add the egg. And mix the egg. Oh, I forgot to add the sugar. While creaming the butter, it's good to add the sugar. That time. Yeah. So the butter is well creamed. Now I'll go ahead to add the egg. So I'll mix this very well. I'll try to mix it very well before adding the plantain. I'm going to mix that. I didn't really cream the butter very well. That's why I can still see some lumps. So while creaming your butter, make sure that it's well creamed before adding others. I didn't cream it well, but it's still okay. So right now I'll keep this aside and cream the pan. So here's my well greased pan. Then over to the next process, I'll add this to the dry ingredients. Then I'll mix it very well. I have to fold it. Now see, don't let it to be too runny. Then I'll add my white wine for some flavor. Then at this stage, if you want to add any nuts, you can add any nuts, your peanuts, your pistachio, they call it pistachio here, almond nuts, you can add it at this point. Before transferring it to the pan. So I'm using a spoon to create some smooth surface. And I'll gently place the strawberry. plantain cake is ready to go to the oven. I'll be baking this for 20 minutes in a 350 Fahrenheit preheated oven. You're good to go. Wow, here comes my plantain cake. My plantain cake is ready. So never ever throw away your overripe plantain. This is my designer's plantain cake. So never throw away your overripe plantain. Use them and make something useful and edible. Don't throw it away. Thank you for watching till this moment. See you in my next video. Bye.